Welcome to Uniko Studio's first video. As Uniko Studio is launching their first set of digital stamps today, I thought it'd be nice to show you how to load and install the brushes into your preferred program, which is either Photoshop or Photoshop Elements, and they work in all versions of Photoshop and Photoshop Elements. And the principles I'm going to show you today are basically the same in any version that you use. Today I'm using Photoshop CS5, and when I've opened a new document in A4 size, this is what I see. My brush palette is already open along this side here on the right hand side, which is this double arrow here which says brush presets. Now when you open your new document and you cannot see this menu, if you go to the window option at the top, scroll down to brush presets and click on that option, it'll then open this menu. Mine's open from this icon here. Now as you can see, this menu isn't activated at the minute because I don't have my brush tool selected, I have the marquee tool. So if you then go over to the left hand side, scroll down and hover over this brush, it says brush tool. Once I click on this, my brush menu will now be activated. Now as you can see, I already have a brush installed. So I'm going to show you how to install the brush. In the right hand corner of this menu there's a small downward arrow with some lines next to it. If you click on this, it'll open a new menu. If you scroll down to load brushes, if you click on there, it'll open your desktop menu. So once you've downloaded Uniko Studio's digital file, you want to remember where you've saved it in your computer. So this part is where you'll need to know where you've saved them to. So as you can see, I have the Joyful Butterfly folder selected. I'm going to click on the Brushes menu folder, which will bring up all the brushes that are installed on my computer. I'm going to use the solid flower brush. Click on this, press open. Now the brush will be installed at the lower bottom part of your menu here. If you click on that, you can then see that I have the brush installed. I'll just close this menu. Now I have this brush installed and loaded. There are a couple of things that you can do which are a lot simpler using a brush than it is to use a PNG file. You can change the size of your brush really easily from large to tiny by simply using this arrow along this line here, or if you have a specific size you can input it like so. Another bonus of using a brush compared to a PNG file is that changing the colour of your brush is super simple. Simply click on I double clicked on the black box here, which then brought up a colour picker menu. I've then selected, I'm going to choose a nice pinky purpley pinky colour and press OK. And then you can brush away to your heart's content. You can also pick the colours from the menu, which mine's already ticked here, but now I've just closed it. If you go down to window, click, and then you can pick your colour and start brushing away. As you can see, you can overlap and you can get different effects. You could also change the opacity really easily, and I could have a really pale one over the top like so. I hope that has helped you understand how to load brushes, and I'll hope to do another video at some point. Thanks for watching. Bye!